Place this infrared quartz log set with a realistic ember bed into an existing fireplace and watch the dancing flames project onto the back of the hearth. The realistic split oak log set and ember bed sit in a black finished fire grate and feature a rolling, pulsating flame effect that works with or without heat. Provides supplemental zone heating up to 1,000 square feet. The infrared heat helps to maintain the natural humidity within the air, resulting in comfortable heat without drying out the room's air. No hookups or vents are required. Just plug it in. Control the log set from anywhere in the room using the included remote control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 5200 BTU heater provides supplemental zone heating for up to 1,000 square feet to help you save money. Number 2. The infrared quartz heat helps to maintain the natural humidity in the air, resulting in comfortable heat without drying out the room's air. Number 3. Instantly switch your existing fireplace to electric when you set this log set on the floor of your fireplace. Number 4. Rolling, pulsating, realistic log set and ember bed project flames onto the back of an existing fireplace. Number 5. The flame effect can be operated with or without heat, providing the ambience of a gentle rolling fire all year long. Number 6. Zone heating saves you money. Zone heating is a simple way to save money. In many homes, certain rooms, like bedrooms, dens, and basements, are unused much of the day and don't need to be as warm at those times. With zone heating, you can use electric heat to warm up the rooms you're using and shut off heated air blown in different sections or zones so an occupied space isn't heated. Turning down your thermostat by 10 to 15 degrees for 8 hours a day can bring you significant savings. Number 7. Year-round ambience. As the outdoor air temperature changes, you can enjoy the relaxing quality of the dancing flames and glowing ember bed of a fire year-round without getting too warm. A great addition to your decor. This log set creates a stylish atmosphere no matter the season when you use the flame effect even without heat. Number 8. Infrared advantages. Like standing in the rays of the sun, infrared technology produces heat that warms you instantly, even as it heats a large area. Plus, infrared heat helps you create a healthier home environment because its gentle heat maintains natural humidity in the air, rather than drying the air out, so your family's skin and airways don't dry out either. Infrared heating also reduces static electricity, unlike traditional heaters, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this insert make a crackling sound? Answer: this model does not make a crackling sound. Question number 2. Does it have 2-speed fan? Answer: the heater is on, off with thermostatic dial control. Question number 3. Does this plug into 110 volts? Answer: the unit needs to be plugged into a standard 120 volts outlet. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.